Hi, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE 24/7 and the host of its webcast series. In our upcoming Design and Simulation Summit online on October 31st, Teresa Alberts from ITficient is giving a talk titled Applications and Benefits of Digital Twins for the Manufacturing Industry. Now, here's a preview of her talk.
In my presentation, I will highlight 3 examples of digital twins in action for the topics predictive maintenance, new service models, and digital manufacturing. I will share best practices, how to identify the best use cases, how to create, to deploy, and to validate digital twins. Looking forward to seeing you soon.
To join the summit, please register at the link in the description box. Hope to see you there.